Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another Bburago, and this is not a normal Bburago guys. This is a Ferrari licensed product and it's a Ferrari California T, and you can see a very beautiful car. But what I'm thinking is like to unbox it and see how it is from inside, right? And this I got for around 799 rupees. As you can see, it's written over here, Ferrari official license product, right? So let's open it. It comes with this blister pack, and this is there from Race and Play Drive series something. Okay, so let's unbox it and see how it is from inside. This is a bit tricky part, I must say. It don't get out very easily. Okay, it just bounced on the floor. So yeah, I got it out of the case, but it was a very harsh unboxing, I must say. I'm just thinking if I have damaged the car or somewhere, but it's okay. I haven't. I'm not sure whether you are able to see it very nicely, but the color of this car, right? It's fabulous actually. If you see the shiny glitters over here, it's very good. The Ferrari logo over there, right? Let me just get it down a little bit so you can see the close details of it. So here we get the Ferrari logo. These are stickers, okay? These are like painted some stickers or something over there. The headlights, they are not acrylic, and on grill also you can see the Ferrari logo. It's very beautifully printed over there. I like it. On side also you get a Ferrari logo. Tires are 5 spoke. On the back, this is embossed. There also we have a Ferrari logo. Nice exhaust, right? We get this windshield. Beautiful California T. Interior is blackout. It's two-seater. There is some space on the back. Steering and all. Very basic details in the interior, but the main thing is you can see this Ferrari logo over there, right? This gives a very phenomenal look to it. It has suspension also. See how it rolls. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, rolls pretty good. Let's see what is on the bottom. Ferrari California T, product under license of Ferrari, made in China. The bases have very little details. There is a diffuser over here with the silencers, the exhaust. Silencer we have in motorcycle. These are like proper exhausts, right? Very good indeed, right? So that's all about this car, guys. We'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.